So I've compiled a list of some of the best tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your celebrity cruise vacation. These are in no particular order, so let's get started with number 1. Not all celebrity cruise ships provide the same experience. It's really important to understand that there are 3 classes of cruise ships in the celebrity fleet: Millennium, Solstice, and Edge. First, there's the Millennium class. These are seasoned veterans of the fleet, like the Celebrity Summit. They're the oldest, but have the classic charm that feels kind of like home. Celebrity ships in general are renovated on semi-regular basis and can still have new features even if they're a little older. So don't count them out because they do provide a great cruise experience. But if you're looking for the latest and the greatest, these ships are not for you. Then you have the Solstice class, which makes up almost half of the Celebrity Cruises fleet. These ships, like the Celebrity Equinox and the Eclipse, they have a very good blend of traditional and modern, ideal for those who love a more of a classic cruise experience. And finally, there's the Edge class series of cruise ships. This is where things get futuristic. Ships like the Celebrity Excel, Ascent, Beyond, Apex, and Edge are all about cutting-edge design and innovation. If you're craving luxury and the latest trends, these ships are definitely for you. Personally, I've sailed on almost all celebrity cruise ships, and each class offers something unique and special. The key to booking the right class and avoiding disappointment is setting the right expectations. These ships offer very different cruise experiences, so it's important to know what you want before booking your next celebrity cruise vacation. Now let's talk about making the most out of your dining experiences. I'm a big foodie, and Celebrity Cruises offers a lot of specialty dining options. Yes, they do cost extra, but I would consider many of them a must-try. I made an entire video showing you every paid restaurant on Celebrity Cruises if you want to deep dive into which of them would appeal to you the most. One thing to remember is that they sell out very quickly. If you're planning on trying any of the specialty dining, make sure to use your cruise planner to book before your trip. At the very latest, make your reservations as soon as you get on board. Popular times fill up very fast. You do not want to be eating dinner at 9 p.m. or worse, not go at all because the restaurants definitely will get sold out, especially towards the later part of your cruise. So make sure to prioritize your dining reservations as soon as possible. Here's a little hack. Download the Celebrity Cruises app. It's available for both iPhone and Android. It lets you see the main dining room menus for your entire trip, so you can see what you'll be eating every day of your cruise before you even get on board. This way, you can decide which nights to skip and opt out for the specialty restaurants instead. It's all about strategy here, my friends. I've been doing this for a while, so make sure to check the menus, pick the least impressive nights, and book specialty restaurants instead. Bon appetit! 3 more dining tips for you. On the last formal night of your cruise, provided it's 7 days or longer, the main dining room serves a special dinner menu with free lobster and even filet mignon. This is also true for Aqua Class guests dining in Blue and Retreat guests dining at Lumine. So dinner on your last formal night of the cruise is something that you don't want to miss. Another thing that you definitely don't want to miss: typically on the last sea day at noon, the buffet will have an extravaganza lunch featuring all kinds of seafood and other high-end dishes. There is a very special selection of fish, meats, cheeses, fruits, desserts. There's a lot of really good stuff at the buffet on that day for lunch. I would confidently say the best buffet for your entire cruise is going to be that day. So obviously, you don't want to miss it for lunch. It should be listed in your cruise planner for that day. If you can't find it, you can always ask the crew, and I'm sure they'll also make an announcement right before it opens. So plan to show up and be very hungry. Don't forget to check out the main dining room for lunch as well. They're only open on sea days. served from 12 to 1:30 p.m. They have a rotating menu that's only available during lunch. Remember, if you want to see what is served on lunch that day, you can check out your Celebrity Cruises app. And by the way, I'm definitely going to be making a part 2 of this video where I'll expand on a lot more tips. I might even include some tips from the comments in this video itself. So if you think I missed something, comment down below and let me know. And while you're there, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you get notified when part 2 comes out. Now, a few general cruise tips before we talk about dress codes and saving money. Now, one of the biggest pro moves that you can make is arriving one day early to your embarkation port before your cruise starts. Flying in on embarkation day is extremely risky. A delayed flight means the ship leaves without you. Never take that chance. So arrive one day early, budget for a hotel, dinner, and transportation to start your trip stress-free. Your next pro move is to do some research in the places that the ship is going to be stopping. Spontaneity is great, but many ports will require planning to make the most out of your visit. You can consider some ship-sponsored excursions via the cruise planner. Of course, they are going to cost you extra. You can also Google your ports of call, get some information that way, maybe watch some YouTube videos, and make sure that you are well informed. Do not just wing it, because if you do, there's a good chance you will be disappointed. Next, Celebrity Cruises allows you to access your room early on boarding day. While rooms aren't officially ready until 1:30 p.m., you can pick up your keys, drop off your carry-on luggage, and explore the ship without dragging your bags around everywhere. So go to your room as soon as you get on the ship and drop off your bags, freshen up, and go explore the ship. And while you're at it, make sure to complete your muster drill tasks. Like I said, download the Celebrity Cruises app before your trip. Beyond just the dining menus, the app allows you to start your muster drill tasks on the morning of your cruise even before you get on board. So you can complete them in transit or while you're waiting to board, and finish by scanning your app or room key at the muster station. So answer the questions, watch the videos, then find out where your muster station is, walk to it, get your phone scanned, and you're done. After that, you can head to lunch. Now let's talk about dress codes on Celebrity Cruises. Celebrity Chic Night is their main version of the formal night. There are usually 2 of them on a 7-day cruise. This is where you're expected to dress sort of to impress. Whether it's a tuxedo, a gown, a suit, a dress, or a business casual, you're good to go. A chic night is sort of like a formal night, but you wear your best. Even something like jeans and a button-up shirt will work, but of course avoid shorts, caps, and flip-flops at dinner. Now, if you're sailing with Celebrity, make sure to join their Captain's Club. It's a loyalty program with multiple tiers and perks. Another good perk of the Captain's Club loyalty program is that you're invited to a champagne party. It's usually held on one of the first sea days. On the Edge-class ships, it's often at Eden, which by the way is a stunning venue that's perfect for photos with the captain and the crew. You can check your cruise planner for the Captain's Club party and show up as long as you are a member. Now, another thing that's important to remember, Celebrity offers different fare options. Choosing the right one can make a big difference. If you're okay with the basics, the cruise-only fare covers free dining, entertainment, and activities. But if you want more, the all-included option adds some perks, like a drink package and Wi-Fi. Just a heads up, these perks have their limitations. I'll link a video for you above that dives deep into this topic. Personally, I like to get the cruise-only rate and then add on a bunch of packages that make sense for me. So be careful with the whole quote-unquote all-inclusive option because it doesn't include everything. Again, I talk more about it in the video above, make sure you check it out. Now for added luxury, you can consider Aqua Class or Retreat Class with Celebrity Cruises. Again, I've made an entire video breaking down each one of those classes in great detail. Make sure you check them out on the channel. There are great videos that show you every single aspect of the Aqua class and Retreat class on Celebrity Cruises. Now, taking advantage of Celebrity's pre-cruise deals can be a smart move. After initially booking your cruise, you'll notice that you can log into your cruise planner and see a whole bunch of things that are on sale. From internet packages, drink and dining packages, shore excursions, and so much more. So if you book your cruise and there's a whole bunch of sales that are going on before you get on board, you might be able to take advantage of them in your cruise planner and book, let's say, a drink package for some percent of the money off. And if the price drops, you can often call Celebrity for an adjustment. I've saved money this way a few times. And of course, you can also save money by buying package deals. But you can also lose money this way as well. For example, dining packages are perfect if you plan to try multiple specialty restaurants. If you're planning to go to 3 specialty restaurants, buying a 3-night dining package is extremely smart because you save a lot of money. Drink packages are great for heavy drinkers of alcohol, coffee, or water. Celebrity offers classic and premium drink packages. They also offer non-alcoholic options. You can just buy a whole bunch of water that's delivered to your room. There's a lot of different options with Celebrity when it comes to your drinks. Make sure to check out my video for tips on determining if this drink package is worth it specifically for you. I'll link this video above. I go into great detail with spreadsheets and a bunch of other really easy to digest information. If you're confused, that video is a really good option. And if you have any other juicy tips that I might have missed in this video, make sure to let us know in the comments down below. I'm really excited to read what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.